Hello traders, as you guys saw, I just started this video and immediately I started it, the cycle was completed as you guys just saw. Okay, and actually making this video to show you guys how the performance has been going. Okay, like I said in the earlier videos, this is not does not have grid, does not have martingale. I mean this system, okay, this strategy, this system do have grid with recovery, powerful recovery system, and it has a lot of things, guys. Okay, but if you are trading with prop firm companies, this is what you have to use. Okay, as you guys can see here, I'm almost 5% profit. Okay, in today's trading, and we have above 12% drawdown for today. Okay, and now you might be thinking in a profit broker that it is not going to be allowed this and that, but what you must understand is this is not a prop firm account. I'm not managing the account. So what you're seeing here is my own account. So I accepted this risk. Actually, I am putting the risk of 30% per cycle. So with profit companies, what you do is just to lower the risk. If I'm risking 30%, you have to be risking uh, okay, another trade is open there. So if I'm risking 30%, you have to be risking lesser than that. Okay. Uh, Let me just show you uh, where that is done. For those of you guys who purchased the lifetime license before it was made publicly, and the only thing that you have to change, the only thing you have to pay attention is here. Let me show you here. This, for those of you who have the system before it was made publicly, okay, before I started making the video, what you guys need to change is here. See that where I said the risk of capital is 30%. Yours version is going to show uh, 30%, but don't use more than 1 to 2%. Okay, here in this version 3.31 and above, uh, you can use 30%, 5%. The minimum is 4%. Okay, so as the trade is going on here, okay, as you guys can see it, everything is live. Okay, today is 23 of January, Friday 2026. This guy is actually pushing forward, upwards, very fast. That's a bullish candle there. But let me go on and show you. As you guys can see here, it says V3.31. Actually, we have, because I'm always thinking on what to build, on what to implement on it. So we have implemented a lot of things, and which took us to version 3.33. Okay, this is the current version I'm trading. Then on the version 3. Okay, let's see this trade how it goes, because the bullish is very strong here. And once I'm looking to reach 5% to stop trading for today, because today is Friday. All right, and I don't know if we are going to meet up. Today is Friday, and I like to trade maximum at 15 p.m. That's broker time. But let's move on to the latest version that I'm showing you here. Okay, as you guys can see, you can see that the trade on the gold is showing here. Okay, but it does not affect any trade here. Okay, this bot was built in a way that I can program this one here, I can program this one, and I can have multiple currency pairs running here. And on one of the robot, I'm going to set that if, okay, I'm talking too much. Let me show you guys. So this has, let's call it 10,000 lines. It's a lot of code in here. we have inside this guy here. Okay, so let me show you what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'll be making videos explaining line by line and how it works, but the most important thing you should know on this robot is that you can trade with the AI signal engine, okay, which is what you are seeing here. Okay, actually this drawdown you're seeing here is for the overall drawdown of the account. Okay, so now the result you're seeing here is for this guy here. Okay, just trading with 0.01 lot size. Okay, just to, because this is the latest version, and what I'm doing is to make sure there's no bugs, there is nothing wrong. So I'm just testing it out with lot size that will not harm my account. Okay, to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Okay, let me check this way. Okay, we're about to hit take profit. Come on, and here we go, 5% daily profit. Okay, so actually it was set to it was set on 10%. Okay, but I'm going to stop because today is Friday. Okay, so you see that 5% take profit reached. So I'm going to just click here. It's not going to open any trade again. Okay, and even the manual buy and sell, nothing is going to work again. It is disabled. I'm done for today. Okay, now let me go back to explain to you guys here what we have here. All right, what okay, let me just a minute, guys. See, take a look at this. Okay, we have step one here, which took profit. Okay, so because I'm trading to achieve only 2 wins out of 20, okay, current level, so the next trade should be 2 second level. Okay, because we just traded 1 out of 20. So, and now I don't want to trade again, so I have paused the bot. Okay, I've stopped the bot. And when you start the bot again, you must reset the cycle if you want, or else it will resume where it stopped. Okay, so this is important. So let me go back here to show you exactly what I was saying. So this robot, it can trade on its own. Okay, you can trade with the I'm going to show you make a quick video, guys. It can trade with this AI signal engine open trade based on risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. Okay, but at the same time it can trade like that with take profit and stop loss, but at the same time you can add, let me show you guys, let me go down. So you can put this lot size that you want it to trade with, and also you can use this. Okay, so you can use the AI engine and still use the money management system that I'm using. Okay, you choose here percentage of account balance, fixed dollar amount, which we are using. No, fixed lot size, which we are using. Then we have fixed dollar amount, we have master scenario. So you can use the AI to trade like this. Okay, it can trade on your own, it can trade for you automatically. Okay, now we have another auto trading system here. It's called candle impulse trading. Okay, once you enable it, it's very simple, guys. I'm going to close this and show you. So once you enable it, candle movement threshold, uh, you have to choose it in points or pips. Okay, 0 is points, 1 is pip. So if I click here, I want it to be in pips. I want to calculate it in pips. Okay, so I'll use 1. Now the candle movement threshold, I'm saying that I want 30 pips. Okay, but you must calculate. Okay, let's use GBP as JPY as example. So I want 1 pip. Okay, 1 pip. Then I'm going to enable it through. So I'm going to come back to show you. Okay, take a look at this. So on this candle here, okay, how many pips do we have? See that? It's open trade. Okay. But let me show you, because I'm just using 1 pips, which is very small. See this candle here? This is 21 pips. Okay, this is 21 pips. All right. I hope I'm right, or 200 pips. Okay. But let's call it. Uh, okay. See, take a look at here. These candles here is on 1 minute. Oh, this is on 5 minutes, guys. This is on 5 minutes. My bad. But it works regardless of regardless of the uh, regardless of the time frame of the candle time frame. Okay, it works. So it's going to open base. It is going to calculate based on the last calculation and for the next trade. Now listen, take a look at this. We have over 70 pips here. So you can tell the robot that you want it to continue on the same direction to your take profit, or you want it to reverse. This is candle pattern threshold uh, trading. Okay, this is fucking great. This is very very good actually, guys. So let me continue here. It's called candle impulse. So here I can trade opposite the opposite opposite to the candle, or trend following. Okay, now you can use it as take profit and stop loss with 1 to 3 ratio. It's totally up to you. Okay, but at the same time you can use it as Masanero. Okay, you can use it as Masanero, the same logic we have there. Okay, so you can use it as a grid. Okay, actually I think it's using it as a Masanero, but it's not set. Nothing is set on the Masanello. For you to use it as a Masanello, you have to go here, make sure that everything is set accordingly, and make sure that you come here, use pocket candle Masanello, you put it to yes. Okay, lot size, you must put it to Masanello. When you are using Masanello, everything must be Masanello. Okay, you must put it on Masanello so it can calculate the lot size. Okay, and that's why it's not calculating the lot size on $3,000 account here. Okay, because it's trading with 0.01 lot size, which is trading with fixed lot size. Okay, so it's saying use manual lot size only. So once you are using the candle impulse trading, you must make sure on the what you want it to do. Okay, do you want it to trade with Masanello, true or false? Okay, do you want it to trade with grid? Do you want it to trade this with hedge, pending orders? Okay, guys, it has a lot of things. All right, it has a lot of things. So with only this trading here, you can use all this to trade with it. Okay, this alone, this implementation alone, you have a robot that you can pay $500. So use it. Just these lines you're seeing here. Okay, now let's go down here. Now you can have a robot that offers you this alone. This, you see, it's called gold gap auto trading. You can have a robot that you can pay for $1,000 to have this alone. Okay, this happens all the time in the market, and many of us doesn't know that. Okay, enable gold gap auto trading works only on gold. Okay, this is for gold. If I enable it, minimum gap size pips, you can put it. Time frame for gap detection 1 minute. It says 1 minute here, but trade mode 1 minute or 1 hour trend. Okay, this I use it to send signals to you guys on Monday, and you see that that trade was won. Why? I studied it a lot, then I have come to implement it on our robot. Okay, so this is going to analyze the market after this can open trade just after 1 minute of the gap on 1 minute time frame, and this can analyze the market to see where the trend is going and open trade on that direction. Gold market open, our broker 23 hours and so on. You can put your broker time here. Okay, and gold market open minutes, you can put it here. Then take profit measurement. So this is actually the take profit and stop loss I have calculated. Okay, but it is default. Okay, you can use the default, or you can just click on false, then come here and change it. Okay, but the default is here. So guys, these two robots alone, you can buy it in the market for paying over $1,000. Okay, but you have everything here. So with this guy here, Take a good look. With this guy here, you can put 1,500 pips as take profit and 500 pips as stop loss. You can use any risk to reward ratio. This is just an example. See, this guy is he take profit, he hit stop loss and move up, and that's why it's good to use this guy here, because we have a system on this Masanello that if you hit stop loss, it can insist on the same direction, okay? Because a lot of time these guys, market makers, they want to buy. Actually, they want to buy, but they know that many people are placing stop loss. They will just go there, hit the stop loss to have a lot of volume, to make a lot of money. Then they will start buying again. Because when you apply our system, it's going to just close that stop loss, and it will going to open another trade immediately for the same direction until it understands that that direction is no more value. Okay, so it's going to close it and open another trade, and it's going to take profit, and it's going to do it. You have 20 chances to make 2 wins. Come on, guys. And what with that 2 wins, risking 30%, every time you make 2 wins, you are making 1% profit, over 1% profit. So if your goal is to make 1% profit in a day, you are in the right place. If your goal to make 3% in a day, you are in the right place. I just showed you my account made 5%, okay, before I started to explain things here. Now with this gold gap auto trading, you can apply the Masanello system with the re-entry. The re-entry is what I'm just explaining to you guys here. Okay, open reverse trade on stop loss, buy, sell, buy. Okay, now this is fucking crazy. Okay, I can use this. Okay, so I can use this to reverse. It's fucking crazy. Okay, I can use it to reverse. Okay, I cannot cover, guys, I cannot cover everything. Okay, it's practically impossible to cover everything in one video. Okay, because this video will be too long. All right, and just know that you have a powerful tools in your hand, and now you can subscribe for it for monthly plan of just $55 for now, because the price is going to go up very soon. Okay, so I think I've come to the end of this video, but one more thing to advise for those who are using it is what we have just implemented. Okay, this is what I'm showing to you guys. Okay, guys, this has a lot of things. Whatever you are looking at a robot, you have it here. Okay, whatever you are looking in a robot, you have it here. Break even, grid, dynamic take profit, normal take profit and stop loss. It has trading restrictions. Take a look at this. You have 3 types of auto trading, okay, system. You have grid. You have, this is money management system, but 3 types of auto trading system you have here is gold gap auto trading. You have candle impulse auto trading, and you have the inbuilt AI auto trading. This is fucking crazy. Okay, you have 3 robots inside one robot. Now take a look at this. Apart of that, you are not using one type of trading system. You don't have a robot. Oh, this is a grid robot, I'm going to use only grid. No. This is not, you don't have it here. You have Masanello, which it is difficult for you to find a robot using this system. Okay, trust me, in forex, trust me. And even if you find it, the type of system we are using was created by me, that even now if I'm risking 30% of my account balance, at the end I'm not going to risk that 30%. Okay, it's fucking crazy. But at the end I'm going to make more money than others. If there is others, I'm going to make more money than others. So this is fucking crazy, guys. Okay, you have trading restriction, you have gradient. Okay, this is good, very good. You have hedge trading. Okay, you have trading stop, you have equity drawdown control. This is good for you to trade. This is good for you to trade for profit account. Okay, so it controls the daily take profit, daily drawdown, It's going to stop based on the daily drawdown you put. Okay, so let's keep going. Don't mind here, is just to see if everything is working well here. So the lot size is not going to do anything to my account. So take a look at this. Okay, you have action after take profit. You have this action here is just what came into my mind to implement. Okay, because using our grid system, it is very powerful, guys, because the grid system I have here is different from any other grid system I have seen. Maybe you have seen the same, but I personally, for the past 18 years, I have not seen any type of grid system that we have. And monitoring it, trading it, and I realized something, how it trades, how it exactly works. Then I implemented this. Okay, action after daily take profit. Now you have to the action to start trading once it hit daily take profit for the next day. This is normal action that we many has. Now I implemented resume with next signal. Guys, what does this mean? Okay, our grid system is different, so we can we can simply come here and put daily take profit to be 1%. Okay, and daily take profit here is if you put 0 here, is going to you have to use dollars, so this is $100. If you put 1 here, it means you are going to use it in percent. So you put 1 here, so it means you are targeting 100% if you keep it like this. But let's say we are targeting 1%. Once I put this, our grid trading system is different, and those who are using it understand what I mean. Okay, because it can make you 100% in a day, but at the same time, the lot size keep increasing. Okay, even when all the trade is closed. It's kind of crazy, guys. I don't know how to explain that to you. But with this one here, once you hit 1% profit, it's going to analyze even the floating trade. If you have any floating orders, it's going to analyze and it's going to understand that you have made 1% and it's going to close that trade. So any open trade is going to close and it's going to restart again with lower lot sizes. So with this, you hit multiple take profits in a day, and it will keep the drawdown low. This is fucking crazy, guys. I don't know how to. I have a lot of things here that I don't know. The joy in me, I don't know how to pour it out to express it. Okay, but you guys have been following this account. You have seen how it growed. Okay, the growth is massive. Okay, so guys, just one last thing, because there's a lot of things here. Okay, you can use spread filters, but we have added voice notice. What does that mean? Okay, so here you can use it through, okay, welcome message, okay, after alert for upcoming news. So now, even if you are distracted, okay, even if you are trading manually, you are not using the robot, or you forgot to stop trading because you are trading on prop firm that does not allow news, you are going to hear the voice insisting that there is a news coming. It will give you exactly what the news is and will tell you it's time to stop trading. You have to close your robot, or you have to stop trading and wait for the news to disappear. Okay, so when it's speaking, you will see exactly what is if the news is medium, is high, you will see it. You will see the news here. It will pop up in your chart and you will see the voice. Okay, so when you reach daily take profit, it's going to congratulate you and encourage you if a daily stop loss is hit. So it's going to display if you want. All this is optional. Okay, but it's good. I like it. Okay, so it can display the news. Then you have to choose the minutes. Okay, the voice. Now what is very powerful here is also I made it possible for multi-language. Okay, what does that mean? I don't hear English. Here we go. Okay, I'm sorry to my Indian fans. I was not able to put Hindu because I think there's a lot of language in India, but we have here. Okay, we have English, UK, US, Portuguese, Brazil, Spanish. Portuguese, Brazil, because of me, and because those in other countries can understand it as well. Spanish, okay, French, German, Italy, Russia, Chinese, Japanese, Korea, and so on. Okay, so you have those from Arab countries. I have Arab students and Arab Muslim brothers. So you have the Arab here, or Arabic, okay? So this is very good, okay? You trading and hearing the voice welcome voice message from your language, okay? I feel that I have to put it. It's not important, but it's good, okay? That's it. It's good, okay? That's why I put it here there. Just an extra, okay? So it's joy that makes me to implement more things, okay? So this is this is complete, guys. I don't know what to say. Okay, one last thing. Okay, one last thing. I'm jumping. Is that you are not trading only with the uh, built-in AI auto trading system, guys. You can simply you have an indicator that you like, okay, you can put your this is an automator as well, okay, you can put in your indicator. It can trade intrabar, it can trade on next bar, your indicated direction, buy or sell. If you want only buy, if you want only sell, you can combine your indicators, okay, by putting the buffers. You can enable indicator one, require for confluence, yes. If you want to combine others, extend signal, okay. Once this one have a signal, it's going to wait for another one, uh another signal before it can open trade. This is also good, and I will give you an example here, okay. Let's say that I have this signal here, okay. See this signal here, but I'm using also this signal here, okay. So once we have this signal here, it's not going to open trade. It's going to wait for this signal here to buy. That is the importance of extend signal. So the buy will actually occur here, and boom, okay. So that's the importance of extend signal. So it's not going to just trade, okay. So you can extend multiple signals. So like let's say for example, we have this blue arrow, we have this trend signal, and we also have this indicator signal. So it's going to have this signal, okay. I want to extend the arrow and the trend, okay. So at the end, this is the confirmation to buy. So what is happening here is that it's going to have this signal. It knows that the signal is there, okay. So and also the buy option is combining, but it's not going to open trade. So it's going to wait for this to confirm, and once this one confirms, this is where the signal will be taken and take profit where you want it to be, okay. So this is the exact confirmation. Now when it has a sell signal here, it's going to notice that there's a sell signal, okay, no problem, but the trend line is still green, so no trade. And here we have a sell, but the trend line is green, so no trade yet, okay. So it's going to avoid this guy here and keep on with this guy. This guy here, trend is green, then you have a blue buy, a trend signal there is going to buy, okay. So this is how the extend signal works. I think this video has been too long. I don't know actually how long it has been, but I think it has been like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. You have pending orders, you have Telegram copy trading, guys. So we'll be testing this out also in near future. I need to take some rest, guys, because I did not have end of the year party or whatsoever. Or I need to take some rest. It's just that I love what I'm doing, that I keep on working, okay. So but we are going to test everything in the future, okay. And your dashboard, you can simply change your dashboard, okay. If I just want this to be let's say, I don't know how it's going to look, but let's say, see that it's changed. So you can change your dashboard if you want, okay. So I'm going to put it to default settings. And actually that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to get this robot, is very simple, guys. Just the link is below. Just click on the uh, on the Pocket Candle AI. You can subscribe for the monthly subscription, which will give you enough time because the amount is very, very small. Okay, based on what you have here, guys. What you have here, I don't know if there's any robot that has it. Maybe there is, being used by bank. And by the way, talking about being used by bank, I have someone from working from bank that got this robot. Okay, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk the country. I have someone working from a bank from Arab country that got this robot. Okay, he paid for its full version to be able to use it whenever it wants. Okay, currently you cannot use it. Uh, you can use it on 3 brokers maximum. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you for the next one. Bye bye.